This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 265BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 10, leveling jacks, water heater, TV, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, air conditioning, LP detector, Slideout, smoke detector, external shower, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 265BH is 6,327 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.